How to customize output audio settings on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official site by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account or create a new one if needed. Once you are signed in, choose your preferred stem separation type like vocals and instrument, then click on Select Files to upload your audio. After uploading, click Split in Full and wait for the processing to complete. Once done, click on Get Split Files to download the file. You will now see the output audio settings panel where you can select your preferred format, MP3 or WAV, quality, standard or high, and other available options based on your plan. Choose what fits your needs best, WAV for high quality or MP3 for smaller size, then start the download. If some options are locked, you may need to upgrade your plan. And that's it. Now you know how to customize output audio settings on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.